Rulers aren't just used for measuring lengths, but are also used for drawing lines. Today we will learn how to draw lines of a specified length. Let's say you want to draw a line that is exactly 3.5 centimeters in length. First, make sure that you are using the metric side of your ruler. Each of the numbers represents 1 centimeter. Each of the smaller lines between the numbers represent 1/10 of a centimeter or 1 millimeter. To find 3.5 centimeters, go to 3 centimeters first, then count the smaller lines. 3.5 centimeters, or 3 5/10 of a centimeter, is exactly between 3 and 4 centimeters. To draw a line that is exactly 3.5 centimeters, first place a point on your paper. Line up the zero on the ruler with the point. Make another point at 3.5 centimeters. Then draw a line connecting the 2 points. This time I'm drawing a line that is 5.2 centimeters, which is 2 smaller lines after 5 centimeters. Finally, I'm drawing a line that is 8.9 centimeters, which is going to be one of the smaller lines just before the 9.